5 tips when building your PC. Number 1, make sure you always test your components before putting it in your case. Like literally just put your CPU, your cooler, your RAM, and your power supply and just test it if it works. You don't want to be out there putting all your components together and by the time you're done, the computer doesn't even turn on. Number 2, there's a way to power on your motherboard without having it connected to your case. Just literally find the power button or the power switch and touch the positive and negative terminals together with a screwdriver and your motherboard should turn on, obviously having your power supply connected to it and your CPU. Number 3, when screwing in your motherboard to your case, make sure you screw it in as a X pattern. For example, you screw in this one first and then the top, left, bottom. Just literally doing it as an X pattern. This way your motherboard is screwed in evenly across the board. Number 4, if you don't know what direction does your fan spin, most fans have an arrow showing which direction does the air blow and showing also which direction does the fan spin. Number 5, and most important, make sure you always ground yourself when building your PC with an anti-static bracelet. This way you can discharge any energy you may have in your body and potentially damage one of your components. I hope it helps and follow for more, guys.